Good morning, St. Andrew students. Welcome back in the next part of the Social Studies class 5th, chapter number 3rd. Yesterday we have studied about the latitude and I had told you the parallel lines which is latitudes and vertical lines which is longitude. Coming on to the longitude, the basic difference between the latitude and longitude belongs north to south. As a result, they merge towards the pole, and therefore for the distance between the longitude at the equator and the pole is not the same as was the case of latitude. They run parallel, but and the distance between the parallel lines always remains the same. These longitude as they run north to south, so they form a complete circle. Longitude circle, the circle that is being formed by the longitude known as the Greek line. Greek line or Greek circle. All the meridians form that Greek line circle are along with the equator. Now for the flight, we say that the shortest path is the path that connect the 2 points on the Greek circle, that connect the 2 points on the Greek circle, and that's the shortest distance between two places that we calculate. So it can be on the equator, on the longitude, where we say that there are 2 points on the Greek circle and a straight line that runs between 2 points, on the Greek circle, and a straight line that runs between 2 points would be the shortest distance, would be the calculated. Again, a very important point you need to understand: under longitude, only half of the longitude is known as the meridian. Okay, students, so let's say we talk about the 0 degree is known as the prime meridian. 0 degree, that is known as the prime meridian, and also known as the Greenwich meridian time. Now this prime meridian 0 degree, opposite to this is your 180-degree line, and the prime meridian is known as anti-meridian. So each Greek circle it have two meridians. It would be composed. That is very very important at an essential part to understand. Now a very interesting example to understand: if you want to locate any places on the earth, you need to know both the latitude and longitude. Now come to the next, that is grid. On a globe, the line latitude and the line of longitude, the vertical line and the horizontal lines, each other right angle, and that is called grid. Grid is a network between both the lines. Thus the grid is very helpful to locate the place on a globe. So students, I hope you understand the chapter very well, and let's discuss about, I have sent you the PDF of the MCQs, exercises and question answers. So you complete your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.